What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. All right. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms, my real social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, so it's a lot of people still out there talking these fake King Hustle pages on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, wherever. Please just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody claiming to be King Hustle, so you can make sure you see this face, you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, first video today, dropping gems. About to show y'all how to finesse these banks, how to finesse these lenders, how to get y'all $10,000, $20,000 loans. It all depends on what you what you do to your credit profile or all you do it. All right, so these past couple videos, these past couple days, these past couple weeks, I've been literally giving y'all step-by-step process how to literally get a loan, how to make your credit profile look better so you can get it approved for a personal loan or installment loan or payday loan or any type of loan that you want, all right? And a lot of people just want fast money. A lot of people just want money so they can go do whatever they want. And I tell a lot of people, it's easier for you to get a loan on your business side. If you got a business, an LLC, an EIN number, and your business established, it will be way easier for you to get a $10,000 loan than it will be for you to try to get a $10,000 personal loan. But they are giving out $10,000 personal loans, $15,000 personal loans, even $35,000 personal loans with bad credit. And a lot of people who watch my videos, they watch the video, then they jump right into trying to go apply for a loan. And then they get denied. And a lot of people wonder why. So in today's video, I'm going to literally break down to you guys all the requirements, what they look at, and what you need to fix in order for you to get approved for a loan. All right. So first of all, a lot of people think it's just all solely based off your credit score. That's not correct. Your credit score plays a small part of you getting that loan. It's all about building relationships with these banks, these lenders, making sure you got a personal bank account, making sure you got regular transactions going to that bank account, making sure you got pay stubs, making sure you got W-2s, make sure you got a lot of different information that you need in order to get these loans, and that's what they look at. And a lot of people don't have that. So the first thing I always tell you guys to do is figure out what your credit score is. And more than likely it's going to be bad, but it's cool because I have a lot of tricks that I'm about to tell you to improve your credit. So before you just jump up and try to go get a loan, do some cleaning, do some work, so when you do go apply for that loan, you will have a better opportunity to get approved. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find out what's your credit report. You get your credit report. It might be on Experian, it might be a TransUnion, it might be Equifax, wherever you go to check your credit report, all right? And the first thing you want to do is you want to update your information. You want to get all those old numbers off your credit report. You want to get all those old addresses, all that old stuff off your credit report. Then you want to freeze your credit report across the three FICOs, all three FICOs across all the bureaus. So you want to do freeze your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All right. So once you freeze those, and you see all the collections on your credit report and freeze your account, then you're going to dispute all of your accounts. Because like I told you guys previously, any account 7 years or older is deemed to be expired off your account. So you're going to dispute them. You're going to freeze your account. Freeze all your credit bill, freeze all three other credit bills, then dispute all your collections. Once you dispute them, they can't verify it because they can't get into your account. So now they have no choice but to delete it off your credit. Now you got 10, 15 inquiries on your credit. Okay, well, when you look at your inquiries, it literally tells you and gives you the number of one, who's reporting it, and the number you can call. And with certain steps, all you do is call, and you give them certain spills, and this is why I was late, and blah, blah, blah. And by law, they're going to get the inquiry off your report. So now you just cleaned up your credit. Now the debt on your credit is lower than what it was before because you got some accounts taken off your credit profile. And this is a key that a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people think it goes off credit, but it really goes off your debt. Do you have good debt or do you have bad debt? If you have $100,000 in good debt, which means you paying off these trade lines, you got open accounts that you're paying off on time, you got exceptional payment history, that's good for your payment. That's good for your credit profile, and they see that. Vice versa, you got $100,000 in debt that you're delinquent on some accounts and you're not making payments on time, you're late. They see that, and that's gonna hold you back from getting that loan. It's all about what you have on your credit profile. Are you making your payments on time? And how much is on your credit profile? Your debt to income ratio. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. So once you clean up your credit, like I told you before, make it all make sense. Any bills that you're paying, from cell phone bills, from electricity bill to rent to Hulu, Netflix, any bill that you're paying, you can have it reflect on your credit report, which means you're going to have a lot of new trade lines being reported on your credit report, and the payment history is going to be exceptional because you have to pay these bills every month in order to live in that house, in order to have your phone on, in order to use electricity, in order to watch Hulu, in order to use the gas. You're going to have to pay these on time, and you're paying them on time, and it's going to reflect on your credit. And so in my previous videos, I showed you guys some sites from Incredible to Ava to Credit Rent Boost, a lot of different sites where you can go to get trade lines for you to add to your for your bills, to add to your credit report to get an instant boost. Also showed you guys how to add the $45,000 revolving credit and trade line to your credit, so you can literally add about $50,000 to $60,000 worth of trade lines and good debt to your credit to get a boost on your credit profile in order to get the loan. Because you got to think about it, you only want a $10,000 loan, you only want a $25,000 loan or $35,000 loan. So you got $60,000, $70,000 in debt, and you can making payments on that debt on time. That looks good. That's what they want to see. So anybody out there watching these videos and you just jumping off the rockers and saying, oh, my credit's bad, I'm gonna go get a plug for this line because King Hussle said it. No, pay attention to what I'm saying. I'm telling you, okay, if you got bad credit, go get your credit profile, go clean it up, go add those trade lines, let it circulate for a month or two, then go apply for that $10,000 loan, because you're going to have a better opportunity of getting approved. And now I'm going to show you a place where you can go get you a $10,000 loan with bad credit. And like I said, you can do it on either side that you want. A lot of people want to get CPNs and do it and do this and do that. Like I said, a CPN is not illegal to have, but once you use it, it's illegal. So you got people adding credit profiles and benefits to their CPN. Well, the only way they're doing that because they know how to do it on the right side. So always pay attention now. Always think about that first before you try to do anything. And I'm not telling anybody to do anything. This is on educational purposes only. But right now I'm going to show you a place called Motive Loan where you can literally do what I told you to do. Go apply for them and you can get up to $10,000 in bad credit loan. All right, so without further ado, let's look at a Motive Loan and see how you can get paid today. So we're looking at Motive Loan, all right? So Motive Loan offers $100 to $5,000, all credit types welcome. Your loan could be just a few steps away. Bad credit, we can help. You can get approved in minutes. Get a decision online in minutes with no paperwork, all right? So I'm trying to tell y'all, follow the steps that I give you, and it'll be easier for you guys to get these no paperwork, bad credit loans, all right? So representative example, $1,000 loan over a 12-month term will have you a total cost, including interest, a total payback amount of $1,134.72. APR 29.82%, rates between 5.99 APR and 35.99 APR. Long term lends from 61 days to 72 months for qualified consumers. Why MotiveLoan.com? MotiveLoan.com was designed to help you get the funds you need, even if you have bad credit. We can help you get a loan up to $5,000, and you will need to fill out a brief form to get started. So why choose us? Free service, financial reputation, fast and easy to secure. And it just goes into different things right there. So when you go down, like I said, you can get a $1,000 loan, $2,000 loan, $5,000 loan, and a $10,000 loan, all right? APR disclosure, and it basically breaks down right here. So if you borrow $2,000 over a 24-month period, and the loan had an 8% arrangement fee, $160, your monthly repayments would be $97.69, with a total payback amount of $2,344.58, including the 8% fee paid from the loan amount, will have the total cost of $344. And then it gives you another breakdown and then another breakdown. So if you borrow $4,000 over 48 months period and the loan had an 8% arrangement fee of $320, your monthly repayments would be $105.46, with a total payback amount of $5,062.26, which including the 8% fee paid from the loan amount, which will have a total cost of $1,062.26. All right, and it just breaks it all down. Our lenders give you as much as 72 months to repay your loan. View the terms below. Lending period 61 days to 72 months. Payment option once or twice a month. So you pay once a month or twice a month. Maximum APR from 5.99 to 35.99. And then it just breaks down how you can, financial implements for non-payment, potential impact on credit score, collection practices, loan renewal policies, just different things like that. And just gives you the operator. You know what I'm saying? So just tap in with Motive Loan, follow those instructions that I gave you, and I guarantee you, you will have a better chance of getting approved for these loans that y'all be needing, all right? So Motive Loan, bad credit, $5,000, $10,000 loans. Follow the steps that I just gave you. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Motive Loan, where you can literally go and get you $5,000 to $10,000 loan with bad credit. And they dealing with people with 400 credit scores and all. You just have to follow the steps that I gave you. If anybody out there looking to get a loan, get a credit card, get a line of credit, anything where they got to give you some money, loan you some money, please follow these steps. Please take the steps that I'm giving you. And there's a lot of people who take these steps and still have problems. And that's why I offer lessons, so I can literally teach you how to do everything that I'm telling you to do so you can get approved for the loans and the credit cards and the lines of credits and the things that you need. That's why everything that you buy comes with instructions, because if you don't, you won't know what you're doing, point blank period. So tap in. We're going to run through it one more time. Get your credit report. See what's going on. Once you see all the collections and everything that's on your credit report, freeze all three of your credit profiles from the Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you freeze it, then go dispute all the collections off your credit profile. Once you start to see those drop off, then go add the trade lines to your profile so you can add that good debt to your credit profile. And then every month, make sure you're having it direct deposited out your account. Make sure you got a bank account, checking and savings account, and even in order for you to get the direct deposit from your account to pay for these trade lines. Once you got all that, let it marinate for a second, about a month or two, because then you can start generating some points to your credit score, and it'll make your credit profile look better. Then go apply for these bad credit loans, and I guarantee you will get approved way faster, because you do know once you go to these websites, sometimes they direct you to different lenders after you enter the information that you gave them, so you can have a better chance of getting approved for that bad credit loan. And sometimes when they do that, some of you guys profiles look horrible, so they just don't approve you for the loan. And y'all be like, oh man, these fake pages, these scam loans. No, you're just not qualified yet to get approved for this loan. Your credit profile is not looking too swell. All right, so always take that in consideration. Always have that in the back of your mind, and let's get this money. All right, shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So we gonna keep the show going. We gonna keep the ball rolling. Make sure y'all tapping in for y'all gems, y'all lessons. Basic lessons, $500. Advanced lessons, $1,000. Limited gems, $2,000. You want to book your seat right now, in-person limited gems on a crypto tour. In-state, $3,500. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. Make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all lessons. And I'm still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for models, actors, rappers, producers, cameraman, content creators, all that good stuff. All right, so make sure you tapping in with that. Anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day on YouTube and passive income without having to show your face, Tap in with me. I'm giving YouTube lessons for $500. So you got $500. I'm gonna teach you how to make passive income on YouTube without showing your face. I'm gonna help you with your channel. I'm gonna help you with everything. I'm gonna help the show going. I'm gonna help you start making $90,000 a month. Yes, I'm gonna show you how to make $90,000 a month for $500. All right, so make sure you tap in with that. And let's win, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Let's start getting paid. Tap in, get y'all lessons. Oh yeah, anybody trying to find my Telegram is in my community post. So just go to my channel, go to community. It's a whole lot of everything. All my videos are shared in all my posts. You will find my official Telegram link in my community post. All right, so make sure y'all tap into my official Telegram. Come do real business, legit business, have your money ready, and let's win and get rich. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.